Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where Microsoft Outlook notifications are not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now we don't need to open Microsoft Office for this because that's not where the notifications are managed from. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select notifications. Make sure that the switch associated with notifications is on. This switch should be on. The switch associated with do not disturb should be off. This should be off. There should be no focus session in play. It should say start focus session, but don't click on it, which means that the focus session is off. Okay, and then scroll down to the app section and find Outlook for it. I don't have Outlook, but make sure that the switch associated with Outlook is on. It should be on, it should not be off. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.